Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I have a cardio walk for you, which will be a basic 3000 step challenge. We'll start off with some of the home steps. First is a march, step number 1. The second step will be side to side movement. Hands are just free form, whatever makes you happy, you can continue with that. This is your step number 2. Step number 3 is your grapevine. Other side. Again, 2 more times. Now your chorus is coming up, which will be this step, 3 and 4. Again. This step will continue throughout the session today. And I'll show the high intensity version, which will be a spike. And if you don't want to do the high intensity version, then this is just perfect. Continue with this throughout the routine today. Back to grapevine. This is your home step number 3. Now change coming up. Home step number 4. This is your heel digs in front. Again. Step 5. Toe taps behind you. Again, grapevine. Two more times. Last one. Guess what? Now the chorus. 2, 3, 4. Hands in and out. 3, 4. Again. I'll show the high intensity version just in a bit. Just want us to get warmed up first before we go into the high intensity version. Now, just the hamstring curls to get a nice warm up. Back to again. The heel digs in front. Toe taps coming up. And behind you. Now we'll just do the hamstring curls again. Hands from top and down. Change coming up, chorus. So I'm going to show the high intensity version, which is this. Jumping jacks with the same hands. And this will come back the entire session. And if you don't want to do this, remember the modifications that we were doing before. Now, next one, we will start off with the spike. We need to get the cardio and the heart rate up. So the same step, and remember the modification. This is your modification. You can continue with this if you don't want the spike. That's absolutely okay. Ready? And if you want the high intensity version, there you go. Again. Grapevine to the side. Two more steps. Change coming up. And or modification will be just marching, no jumping. Ready? And we go back to the strike again. Front and back. Remember to continue with the modifications. Keep coming up. Front and back. Modification for this dismounting with hands going in and out. Back again to the jumping jack. In and out our hands. Again. Now in play. Just jog it in pace. Or you can march. Options are just marching or jogging. And go. Remember, marching is the modification for this. Ready? Start coming up again. And go. 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in and out. Last one. And go. March it in place or jog. Pick whichever variation you would like. We'll move in front now. 1, 2, 3, 4, side and side. Back, 2, 3, 4, side. Side again. Front, 2, 3, 4, side. Side. The ski step on side. Back. Guess what? Back to the side. Cancel it out. Again. Again, jog in place. And let's go. Okay, run a jog. Spike coming up, ready? Or you can march. Up to you. And ready for spike. And go. 2, 3, 4. Up and out. Keep coming up. Front and back. At the time. And march it in place. So the next song starts. We will continue to have the same spike. And we'll have the other home steps that are shown in the first song. So we'll continue with that. March it out. Our goal is 3,000 steps in 20 minutes. Actually, it's 22, I think. Ready? So the first is, again, heel dig. Remember to keep your abs pulled in. So listen to the form. Toe taps behind. Marches will move in front. So you can walk it, same step, and go back. And guess what? You can jog in front and go back. And again, front, and back. jog in place or march in place. Now, side, get your legs up, high knees. Remember, this is the option. High knees, get your legs up. If you want to add a little hop, that's another option. Change coming up. Single leg kicks. Few more. Remember, you can always march with high knees without any jumps. And change. You will kick it in front. Modification, just kick without any hops. Again. Grapevine coming up. And side to side again, grapevine. And back to kick. Modification without any jump. Again. Okay, now a spike will come by. 45 seconds. The spike that we've been doing, that's coming up. Ready for the cardio portion? Remember to modify and do the modification for this section. Ready? March it out. And ready for spike. Go. 3, 2, and 1. And go. 2, 3, 4. Up and out. Modification without any jump and hops. Or the challenge. Come on, let's keep going. Awesome! Guys, looks so good. Three and 4. March it out. Next song. Same thing. We'll do our steps, home steps. We'll have a spike. And we'll march towards our 3,000 steps. So in this one, there's a little change. So we'll go front, 2, 3, and kick, and back tap. So front kick, and back tap. Again, tap, 1, 2, 3, and tap, kick, and tap. March it out. So this is going to be a step. We'll get it done. Spike coming up, which is our very own spike. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, and up and out. Again. Nice. Remember to modify without any jump. Back again. 2, 3, 4, and up and out. 2, 3, 4. Big arms. March it out. Now we'll have the kick and tap on the other side. Ready? So you go 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, and tap. And kick. You can just march. If you don't want to kick, that's fine. You just march forward and march back. That's fine. I lied, I guess. And march it again. Shoulders down. You can jog even if you would like, instead of the marching. Spike coming up. Ready? And go. 2, 3, 4. And in and out. 2, 3, 4. Back again. 2, 3, 4. Suppose. Again. Remember to modify. If you're enjoying. 2, 3, 4. And in and out. Back again. Rewind. Two more times. Now high knees will be coming up next. So lift your legs. High knees. So you have the windscreen wipers. Lift it higher, as high as you can. You're also working the abs when you continue to lift the legs higher up. And then just jog it in place again. Or march. Remember, march or jog. These are your two options. And chorus. Come on. 2, 3, 4. And in and out. 2, 3, 4. Back again. 2, 3, 4. Another time. 6, 3, 4. Awesome! Back again to the grapevine. Okay, now march it. You ready for the next song? Get the beat, feel the beat. See, there's a pace change. March according to the beat. Just small kicks out. And if you would like to add on, you can add a little bit of hop. Now, last one. And jog in place. Or march, jog or march. Back again. Lift your legs up. High knees. Another time. Now, side to side. So this will start. Modification. Hand goes in and out. The legs are going out. Okay? Pick the modification or any version. Now again, just kick it in front. Modification without any jump. And up. 2, 3, and 4. Up and out. Again. 2, 3, 4. Up and out. 3, 4. Remember modifications. You will get your 3,000 even if you don't up and jump. Side to side again. So this is a cardio walk. Goal is to get your 3,000 steps in 22 minutes, that is. You'll get much more than 3,000. Trust me. And go. And you know the modifications for this, right? If you do all the modifications, you would still get the 3,000 steps. Jog in place. Again. again. Lift it higher, as high as you can, with ease. And strong long arms. Back again. Rewind. And again. High knees. If you're breaking your sweat, as I am, abs are pulled in. She's coming up, so strong. Ready? Remember modifications for this? March in place again. Nice. I feel so good. Taking a breath. And 2, 3, 4. Heels in front. Go back. 2 taps behind you. Okay, so we'll cool down. We had a 22-minute session, and I got 3,100, I believe it's 17 steps. So that was a good quick 3,000 steps, almost over like 1.5 miles in 20 minutes, which is like really awesome. We got similar step count, so we'll just walk it out. Get a heart rate down and cool down a bit before we leave. So gradually, just heel digs in front. Wait and go back. 2 taps behind you. Hold on, take a deep inhale. Exhale on top. Another one. Take a deep inhale. Exhale on top. Sit on one side and pull the toes in to get a deep stretch in your hamstring and in your calf muscles. Pull it in. You know how important it is to cool down, right? Go to the other side again. Pull the toes in so you get a deeper stretch in your hamstring and in your calf muscles. Come up. You can hold something for balance, and you're going to take your heels and push it to your glutes. Push the leg, the quadriceps behind, so you get a nice stretch in the quadriceps. Abs are pulled in. Get a nice stretch. Feels so good. Come to the other side. Pull it in. Again, you're going to push your heels to your glutes. Push the leg a little bit behind you so you get the nice quadricep stretch. Awesome. Take a deep inhale. Exhale on top. Hands to your forehead, hands to your heart. Thank you so much for joining us today, and namaste. Thank you.